Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from CAT S75 to an Android device. Firstly, just open Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. Nextly, in order to use it, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Following that, click on Send at the bottom left corner of CAT device and Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to CAT Smartphone. You can finally select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In order to do that, use categories located at the top. Now, to pick multiple files right away, select those dots at the top left corners. If you want to choose only a few, click on the chosen ones instead, like this one photo. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and select one of those connection ways. If you want to connect using this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key in Input Key section. And when you're ready, click on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!